Every Bugatti Chiron body panel begins as a flat sheet of advanced carbon fiber. Computer-controlled cutting creates the foundation of its iconic shape. The Chiron's aggressive curves are created through precision molding technology. Each panel is shaped for perfect aerodynamic performance. Before assembly, every carbon fiber panel receives careful hand finishing. Craftsmanship ensures the Bugatti Chiron achieves a flawless surface. Every exterior panel is measured to guarantee perfect fitment. Precision is what separates the Chiron from ordinary vehicles. The Chiron's recognizable silhouette begins to appear as panels are added. Each piece is aligned with extreme accuracy. Every aerodynamic element is designed to improve stability at extreme speeds. The Chiron's performance shape is built piece by piece. The Chiron's doors combine engineering precision with luxury design. Every movement must feel perfect. Before receiving its signature finish, every Chiron body is prepared by hand. A perfect surface creates a perfect luxury appearance. The Bugatti Chiron receives a finish worthy of a multi-million-dollar masterpiece. Each paint layer is applied with extreme precision. Every painted surface is inspected until it reaches perfection. Now the Chiron is ready for its mechanical heart and luxury interior. The heart of the Bugatti Chiron begins as a precision-engineered aluminum structure. Every component is created for extreme power and reliability. Every engine component is tested before becoming part of the Chiron's power system. Precision creates legendary performance.
Piston 3 ready for insertion.
Clear, watch the rings.
Looks good, sliding smoothly.
4 turbochargers help produce the incredible power of the Bugatti Chiron. Each connection is tested for maximum performance. Before entering the Chiron, the engine must prove its performance. Every measurement is recorded and analyzed. The Chiron's engine finally meets its carbon fiber foundation. Precision installation ensures perfect performance. The Chiron's transmission transfers enormous power with lightning-fast precision. Every mechanical connection is carefully calibrated. Stopping a hypercar requires technology equal to its power. The Chiron receives advanced braking and suspension systems. Thousands of electronic connections control the Chiron's advanced technology. Now the cabin begins its transformation into a luxury masterpiece. The Bugatti Chiron interior begins with the world's finest materials. Luxury and performance come together in every detail. Every leather component is handcrafted with exceptional precision. Each stitch reflects Bugatti's commitment to perfection. The Chiron cockpit combines racing technology with handcrafted luxury. Every control is engineered for the ultimate driving experience. The handcrafted interior is finally brought to life. Luxury meets extreme engineering inside every Chiron. Every luxury feature must perform flawlessly. Perfection is the Bugatti standard. The Bugatti Chiron is now approaching its final form. Only performance components remain. Every wheel is engineered for extraordinary performance. The Chiron is finally ready to touch the road. Microscopic adjustments deliver exceptional driving dynamics. Precision defines every Bugatti Chiron. Thousands of electronic systems work together in perfect harmony. Every connection must perform flawlessly. The legendary W16 engine proves its extraordinary capabilities. Performance is measured with absolute precision. The thermal gradient looks stable at 1200 degrees. Data confirms expected performance under maximum load.
Every surface and every component must achieve perfection. Nothing leaves the factory unfinished.
Months of engineering are completed with handcrafted perfection. The Chiron is finally ready for its grand reveal. Every Bugatti Chiron is tested beyond ordinary standards. Performance and refinement are perfected together. From raw materials to automotive masterpiece, the Bugatti Chiron represents engineering at its finest. This is how a multi-million-dollar hypercar is born.